Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, collectors of adult age, welcome back to my empire, Dave's Empire 1981, with yet another Blaster Box break video. I'm probably gonna upload this as goodbye 2022, hello 2023 kind of New Year's Eve video, but I don't know. Maybe I'll get excited and throw it up and say, "Here, look at my shit," you know. But you can see a raid around the back there. AEW trading cards from Upper Deck. A couple base cards. A couple gold parallels. A main features. A Dynamite the Bunny. Right. Pyro Bunny and Dynamite Cash Wheeler. A Jim Ross memorabilia patch. A Penelope Ford yellow from the AEW action figures from Jazzwares. My biggest two hits of 2021 trading cards were Penelope Ford autograph and a one-of-one Black Wrestling Magazine Ray Phoenix. I would love to get those two graded, especially the Ray Phoenix, but I ain't got that kind of money for that shit. But anyway, I'm super excited for this break because recently on Target.com I found out Series 2 2022 trading cards from All Elite Wrestling were available. So I ordered 2 boxes. Let's get this shit going. I'm so fucking excited. I like AEW quite a bit. And I really enjoyed these cards in the past year and some. So I'm super excited for more with the new variety of folks. Some of the same folks. I don't have a bag for trash, so it's just going to the side. Legal blah-de-da. Let's see. The box contains an assortment of All Elite Wrestling trading cards. Base. Gold. Numbered to 100 parallels. High gloss. Numbered to 10. Black. Numbered 1 of 1. That was like that one over there. Green or Pyro parallels. Green Pyros. Auto parallels. You get all bunch of cool shit in here. We got Darby Allin, Thunder Rosa, Hangman Adam Page, Jungle Boy. I'm drawing a blank on names. Shit. I feel terrible. Leader of the baddies, bad bitch. Let's call her bad bitch until I remember her name. And CM Punk. As a look at a potential autograph that can be pulled. Let's get box 1 open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've seen this in a couple other videos. All 8 packs are crammed into one side of the box. Some of them are in one, some of them are the other. She needs to improve her wrestling skills. I'll put that up at the top there. That one feels fat. They all kind of feel fat, but you know. We're just making stacks here. I'm mixing it up. I don't want to know what card pack was at the top, what was at the back. I'm going to take this stack, go top to bottom. Let's see what I got. To the side, I got some sleeves and top loaders standing by. Here we go, folks. Jade Cargill, that's her freaking name. I knew I'd remember. Pack number 1. of 2022 All Elite Wrestling Trading Cards from Upper Deck. 8 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. First one out is Ricky Starks. Cool. We have Mr. Ricky Starks. I like the difference in the base cards this year. I like the border there. We have a base and a J. Very nice card. Very lovely woman. We have a gold parallel Wardlow. Strangely enough, the action figure is wearing that outfit. Wearing that unitard. So I'm going to put that in front of Paul Turner over here. Now, these main features cards, these new ones, I don't really like the design. I like the call out at the top, but I don't know. That seems cooler to me. This is a nice new insert outside the ring. I believe this is a gold parallel of that. It's pretty flippin' sweet. Sheeta looking super sexy. Yeah. Mr. Evil Uno. Met him at WrestleCade. Very cool dude. Ryo Mizunami. Nice. And our first tag team is Private Party. I like these cards. They have a little hologram on the back. They did not last year. They do this year. Feels a little more premium that way. Pack number 2. The main folks I'd like to pull are Ethan Page, Thunder Rosa. I like Darby Allin. There's a few others, but those are the ones that come to mind first. Jurassic Express. I'm totally reaching across the screen here. Making a pile there. Maybe a short print? I don't know. Jurassic Express, Jungle Boy, and Luchasaurus. I like the darker look on Jungle or Luchasaurus nowadays. Ruby Soho, there we go. Nice base Ruby Soho. We have Dante Martin flying through the air, kicking somebody. We have a gold Arn Anderson, very cool. Put the golds over here. Eddie Kingston is backwards, so Eddie Kingston is our first Pyro parallel this year. Very cool. I'm happy with that. Very nice. I'm going to put Eddie Kingston in front of the bunny over here. Maybe not quite in that angle though. There we go. That's better. Now he's not shining back. Cash Wheeler main features. Bryce Remsburg referee. And Hook. Very cool. I was hoping to get a Hook card too, actually. Kid doesn't speak much, but he's got some skills. Get a couple years under his belt, he's gonna be even better yet. Pack number 3. This one is the first one that didn't rip quite nicely. So, there's a Mark Henry on the back there. This pack is fighting me. But I have won. Ha 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 ha. Stupid pack, I wins. There's our Darby Allin card this year. Base card. Very cool. There is Matt Hardy. Riho Gold flying through the air. Our first Upper Deck canvas card of this box is Santana and Ortiz. With Ortiz On the ground, Santana flying, it looks like. Very cool. I love these canvas cards. We have Outside the Ring, Mark Henry. Very nice. Let's see what it says on the back. Mark Henry shows he has a giant-sized heart as he and the AEW crew volunteer their time at the Greater Pittsburgh Community Food Bank ahead of the inaugural edition of Rampage on August 13th, 2021. Very cool stuff. You know what? Riho is gold. She should be over on the other side. Fucking up my stacks already, guys. We have a Serena Deeb. Very cool. Hey, there he is. All Ego Ethan Page. Excellent base card. Sweet. Put him to the side next to Ray Phoenix. And we have announcer Mark Henry. Very cool. I love these cards already, guys. When I was ordering from the Target website, it said online only. So maybe we'll get them retail in stores. Maybe we will not. I gotta control myself, but I will eventually get more of these. We have Vicky Guerrero. Ooh, I got a green shiny. We're gonna put that in the back. I got one of those green Pyros or something. What is it called? Yep, green Pyro. Nice. We have Christian Cage main features. Find myself looking over the camera again. Cash Wheeler. That's an odd picture, man. He's like he's dancing. There's Mr. CM Punk. Black sheep of the company right now. Back to the front of that pack with Vicky Guerrero. Eddie Kingston base card. Chris Statlander. Sexy Alien. Angelico gold parallel. And our green Pyro is Penta. Hell yeah. That is a damn cool looking card. This is number 97 of 399. You know, I should have sleeved that Eddie Kingston over there. Just like I'm sleeving this Penta right here. So let's get Mr. Eddie Kingston in a sleeve. I hate to be one of those guys that stop the works just to get things sleeved up, but screw it. These cards look nice, folks. They feel a little thicker than last year's. The card stock is a little bit thicker, a little more premium perhaps, I don't know. A numbered card of a cool dude. We're going to put that right there for the Penelope there. Next pack. I've seen some people rip through these cards like they're going out of style, like they're trying to make a speed run or something. But you don't really experience the cards. You don't get a really nice look at them if you do it like that. Lance Archer. Nice. Hangman Adam Page base. Very cool. We have a Varsity Blondes. Griff Garrison, who I believe just had a surgery of some sort. And Mr. Brian Pillman Jr. The lovely flowing locks that my wife admires. And off in the background, woo! Oh, she says Mr. Brian Pillman Jr. has a nice ass too. I can't really contradict that. Saw him in person. He's a well put together piece of meat. Main features Tay Conti. Huh. That's actually in that action figure outfit as well. Very cool. Gold main features Kenny Omega. Excellent card. Colt Cabana. Very nice. Tag teams, Lucha Brothers, Ray Phoenix and Penta El Zero M. And Jay Lethal himself. So far, the hit of the box is that green Pyro Penta there. These packs are definitely better glued than last year. So that's a nice little bonus. We have a Tag Teams FTR. Very nice. Trent Beretta base. This card's just sliding all over the place. Followed by Chuck Taylor. And we have a Stu Grayson Gold Parallel. Very cool. Main features Chris Jericho. Very nice. Nick Jackson. There's Jungle Boy. Very cool. And there's the base Penta. Awesome. Last two packs of box number 1, folks. Are we going to get anything to top the Pyro? Yeah, Pyro Eddie Kingston or Green Pyro Penta? Are we going to be greedy? We're going to ask for more. Ask the card gods for more. Let's find out. There's a backwards card. It might just be another Pyro. Rick Knox referee. There's John Moxley. Looking angry, like he kind of always does. There's the base Sting. I love that snow effect. Very nice. We have a gold parallel Hikaru Shida. Our backwards card is Vicky Guerrero. And that is a Pyro. Pretty sweet. That's a nice card. I'll put that there for a moment. Main features John Moxley. Love that skull shirt. Frankie Kazarian. And John Silver at the end of that pack. Let's get Miss Vicky Guerrero. Or the Lady Guerrero. Sleeved up. Very nice. Last pack of box 1. This is going to be a 40-minute video on 2 boxes. Suck it up. I'm enjoying myself. No fat cards. There's no mems. Unless they're wicked thin. Hey, there's Britt Baker. DMD. Got another canvas card in there. Mr. Santana. Very cool. Powerhouse Hobbs. Gold parallel. Looking like a grumpy bastard. We have Private Party Upper Deck canvas card. Very cool. We have Adam Cole main features. Max Caster and that goofy little porn mustache. Tony Schiavone. And Matt Sydal to round out box number 1. These are awesome. I dig these. I dig these a lot. Let's crack into box number 2, shall we? Box number 2 feels like it's set up very similar to box number 1. Let's find out. All 8 packs look to be on the one side of the box. Make sure there are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. Let's move the box out of the way. That one feels fat. Mix them all up, except that one. We're going to do that one first. These are mixed up. We're going to do this one first. It feels fatter. Could be a mem, could be my imagination. Let's find out, huh? My card rip trick doesn't want to work with these better glued packs. Nope, not a mem. I was finger hallucinating again. Alex Reynolds starts this second box out. We have announcer Taz, Mr. Ray Phoenix, very cool. We have a gold parallel Jake Hager. We have a Chris Statlander, that a Pyro. That is in fact a Chris Statlander Pyro. Debut dates Thunder Rosa. 9/2/20. Excellent card. Kyle O'Reilly and Bryan Danielson. Very cool. Let's get Miss Statlander sleeved up. That's a good pack to start out the box with, huh, folks? Mix them up. I don't know what the collation is. First pack, last pack. Doesn't matter to me, folks. Second pack of the break. With these packs being more difficult to open, I may have to revert to using a blade. Just tip the corners. I'd rather not. We got some fun stuff. Powerhouse Hobbs base. Andrade El Idolo. Jamie Hayter, current women's champion. Gold parallel. Dax Harwood, main features. Gold main features Matt Jackson. MJF, looking like a smug bastard. Tay Conti. And the Acclaimed. Everybody loves the Acclaimed. I don't know. Max Caster kind of annoys me. Anthony Bowens, pretty cool dude. Fun to watch tag team though. I don't really care for those rap stuffs. Listen, I don't know, it's not my thing. But they are over. That scissor thing with daddy ass, that's silly. That's harmless. We have another green. I don't want to see what it is. I almost saw what it was. I didn't see what it was, though. Luchasaurus main features. Scorpio Sky. Very cool. He's actually a really cool dude. Penelope Ford. We're going to stand her up over here with her autograph from last year's cards. There is Varsity Blondes again. Base. Hikaru Shida base. Dax Harwood gold. Darby Allin backwards. So we have a Darby Allin Pyro and a Riho green Pyro. This is a good box, guys. Hell yeah. 2 boxes, I'm getting a bunch of Pyros and hell yeah. Slide this one in here. Let me get this Riho in the sleeve. Can't forget Miss Riho. I probably should have tipped the edges on these things because the sleeves are a little bit tight. They're thicker plastic. But you know what? That's okay. Riho is 53 of 399. Very cool card. Put that with Mr. Penta. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. So we're on a 4th pack already. Jesus. A 4th pack of box number 2. I guess packs fly when you're having fun, huh, folks? Oh, is that a fat card? We got a fat card in here. We got a fat card in here, folks. We're going to leave that to the side. Correction. Next pack. I'm super looking forward to seeing what that fatty fat card is. Heck yeah. I like fat cards. Mr. Paul White. I would not want to piss that guy off. He is legit enormous. He was sitting down and he was taller than me. Sean Spears. The Bunny base card. Nyla Rose Gold. The Acclaimed Upper Deck Canvas card. Main features Nyla Rose. Thunder Rosa. Very cool. Followed up by Daniel Garcia. We're going to put Miss Thunder Rosa in front of Miss Penelope Ford over there. Slide Ethan Page back up. Next pack, folks. Damn, I'm enjoying these cards. I'll be watching the holiday episode of Dynamite this evening. As I record this, it'll be their holiday episode. So that's going to be fun. Dax Harwood starting us out. Base Jamie Hayter, very nice. Base Jake Hager. The Blade, gold parallel. Matt Hardy is probably our Pyro. Matt Hardy is in fact our Pyro. Very cool. Matt Jackson, main feature. Jade Cargill, there she is. And tag team, the Young Bucks. Got a pile of sexy ladies over there in the corner. Let's get Matt Hardy sleeved up. Put him in the stack of Pyros over there. I don't believe we've gotten any Dynamites. If Dynamites are still a thing this year. Let me look at the box. Is there Dynamites this year? There's high gloss, green Pyros. Maybe not. Maybe it's just all Pyros this year. Hard to tell. Debut dates around 10. Outside the ring, regular gold parallels 140. Cool. AEW breakouts, short prints. There's all kinds of fun stuff this year. I don't know which ones constitute short prints, mind you. I'm sure somebody can comment and let me know. What constitutes short prints in this run? A couple golds here. Very nice. Starting out with Nyla Rose. Base Arn Anderson. There's Keith Lee. We got a gold Keith Lee. Very nice. Outside the ring, Tony Schiavone. Very nice. Gold main features. Orange Cassidy. Christian Cage. There's Miro. And Adam Cole base. Very cool. Last regular pack before we get to the fatty fat card over there.
Fat card.
And a little pop in from Space River News, the old wifey poo. I don't believe I've ever said wifey poo in my entire fucking life. I am so ashamed. We have Angelico. I think I had a gold one earlier. Another canvas card in here. And Helico. We have base Riho. Stu Grayson base. We have a gold tag team, the Butcher and the Blade. Very cool. Upper Deck canvas, Hikaru Shida. Very nice. Hey, main features, Penta. Justin Roberts, announcer. Ah, yes, Malachi Black base card. Fuck yeah. Little dingy in the corner, but that's alright. It's from my personal collection. Fuck quality. Ooh, Wardlow. Nice. Let's get the two in the back up the front. Ooh, main features Kenny Omega. Very cool. Lee Johnson. Wardlow base. Go with the gold over there. Gold Jade Cargill. And our Dual Mem of Jurassic Express. Very cool. Congratulations, you have received a trading card with matched used ring mat that has been certified to the Upper Deck Company as having been used in an official AEW match. We hope you enjoy this piece of wrestling history as we continue to keep you as close as you can get. Enjoy your memorabilia card. The Richard P. McWilliam family, the Upper Deck Company, 2022 Upper Deck AEW. You like my announcer voice? Now, as match used Matt Relic, doesn't mean it was their match, but that's still a cool card. So let's do a recap. Why not? We got a fat stack of base cards, bunch of main features in there. We get these Tay Contis. We get this Wardlow back in the stack. Ethan Page. Put him on top. 3 beautiful ladies. We have our Mem. 2 green parallels, Riho and Penta. And we have a fat group of Pyros. We have Eddie Kingston, Vicky Guerrero, Chris Statlander, Darby Allin, and Matt Hardy. Let's see what we have. A couple of the Upper Deck canvas, I believe I said that. A fair amount of gold parallels. What will be our last look for this video? Will it be Ethan Page or will it be Penta? Ethan Page or Penta? I'm going to say Penta because he's a shiny green card and I love green. AEW 2022 trading cards from Upper Deck. Fucking love them. Deuces, folks.